Okay guys, this is an ACE68 magnetic switch keyboard from mChoose, but from mChoose ACE68 I have only PCB plate. Everything else I've picked up from different keyboards or from the market. And before I will show you how I did this, I want to show you one more sound test. This is also ACE65 magnetic switch keyboard, but with absolutely different keycaps. It's a very budget keycaps with more profile and with definitely gaming legends on a keycaps. And I want to show you one more option. Okay guys, now how I build these three different options. Let me show you step by step. Obviously, first of all, you may use any keycaps what you like. I have today three different options and you can tell me which one you like more from the visual point of view and from the sound point of view. But basically this is any keycaps what you like. Next, what you need to consider is switches, right? Right now we have tons of different switches on the market, just like unreal amount of different switches. Mostly they are all the same, obviously, but we have a different sound from the switches. And recently I found one very interesting keyboard, which is MU68 Pro from iRock, right? And their switches, Azure switch, apparently the best sounding switches for me right now. So that's why I use today these magnetic switches for these builds. These switches are pretty standard, nothing special. I mean, the central magnet, two pins and RGB enhancer, but I don't know why they sound really creamy. Now, as a switch plate, you can see this black metal switch plate. I've used actually from ACE68 together with Poron, which is inside between PCB and metal switch plate. This is basically PCB sandwich. We have a PCB from ACE68, we have a positioning plate from ACE68, and we have this foam inside also from ACE68 and stabilizers as well. And this is basically a PCB itself from ACE68 mechanical keyboard. You see I did apply this switch pad patches, right? Because I don't have a whole sheet for this layout, but it's also can be done in this way. I did check in the driver and I don't have any difference with patches and without. It means that they're thin enough to not interfere with Hall effect sensor. Finally, I did use some piece of very thin foam and G65 aluminum case from Drunk Deer as always, because I don't have any other options for now for 68 layout keyboards. And now guys, you can understand that basically everything what you have inside the keyboard, everything what like really matters from performance point of view and from the heart of the keyboard, this piece of plate, right? So everything else is a wrap and you can use any wrap what you want. You can use different keycaps, you can use different switches, you can use different keyboard keys and all other stuff, but in reality everything what you have from the performance point of view, only this plate. Please like this video because I have spent several days of preparation and recording, and if you like it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Please let me know which option do you like more, first, second or third, and yeah, leave a questions if you have any. I will be happy to answer them. Okay guys, this is an ACE68 magnetic switch keyboard from mChoose, but from mChoose ACE68 I have only PCB plate. Everything else I've picked up from different keyboards or from the market.